Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Carhartt Simple Pant on the market, the Carhartt Men's 102,517 Rugged Flex Relaxed Fit Canvas 5-Pocket Work Pant. If you're someone who values durability, comfort, and flexibility in your workwear, this pant might just be exactly what you need. Starting with the fabric, these pants are made from an 8.5-ounce canvas blend consisting of 98% cotton and 2% spandex. This combination provides a perfect balance of toughness and stretch. The Rugged Flex durable stretch technology allows for ease of movement, making it easier to bend, crouch, or kneel during work without feeling restricted. This flexibility is a significant feature, especially for anyone who's on their feet all day or engaged in physical labor. The fit is designed to be relaxed, sitting slightly below the waist with a comfortable roominess through the seat and thigh. This ensures that you have enough space to move freely, without the pants feeling too loose or baggy. Another thoughtful design detail is the stronger sewn-on seam belt loops, which are built to last and withstand the wear and tear of daily use. When it comes to functionality, these pants feature a classic 5-pocket design that's practical for holding tools, phones, or other essentials. The closure is a zipper, which adds convenience for quick dressing and removal. Care is simple since the pants are machine washable, allowing you to keep them looking fresh and clean without hassle. They are imported but maintain Carhartt's reputation for quality craftsmanship. This pant is not only rugged and reliable but also lightweight enough to serve as everyday work pants. They avoid the bulkiness that sometimes comes with heavy-duty workwear, making them suitable for a variety of environments and tasks. In summary, the Carhartt Men's 102,517 Rugged Flex Relaxed Fit Canvas 5-Pocket Work Pant offers the ideal blend of durability, flexibility, and comfort. It sits well in the category of practical workwear that doesn't compromise on mobility or style. Whether you're working on a construction site or just need a dependable pant for tough jobs, this Carhartt pant stands out as a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.